Hello, I'm Sarah. Today's lesson is feelings. Good luck. I'm okay. Repeat. I'm tired. Repeat. I'm hot. Repeat. I'm cold. Repeat. I'm hungry. Repeat. I'm thirsty. Repeat. I'm sleepy. Repeat. I'm terrific. Repeat. Now, try it once more. By yourself. How are you? I'm okay. How are you? I'm tired. How are you? I'm hot. How are you? I'm cold. How are you? I'm hungry. How are you? I'm thirsty. How are you? I'm sleepy. How are you? I'm terrific. How many questions did you get right? Keep trying until you can get all the questions right. Please click the subscribe button and turn on the notification to get the next English quiz. See you next time.